Unboxing and taking out various department parts. Confirm that the internal accessories are complete. Install the bracket and secure the screws. Install the ground wheels. Straighten the chaff cutter. Install the motor bracket. Remove both side covers. Install the feed hopper. Install the motor wheel and secure the motor key. Make sure the spindle wheel and the motor wheel are on the same line. Install the belt. First the small wheel and then the large wheel. Install the safety covers. Install the handle. Before starting work, fix the screws of each part again.